Hello, I'm Grace, your virtual buddy here at HuddleMate. In this video, I'll guide you through how to launch an interview session and attend an interview using a HuddleMate assistant. On your home screen, select the Assistants option. This will take you to the Assistants page where you can see the list of already created assistants. For this tutorial, let's choose the existing Software Engineer Interview Assistant and then click on the Launch Session button. This will take you to the interview session screen and you can start your interview. If this is your first time launching a HuddleMate session, you would have to grant access to your microphone by clicking on the Grant Access button. Once done, you will see the Access Granted status. Once you click on the Start Session button, your Huddle would launch, and you will see the live transcription to your left. Any answers would be displayed in the center section and recent questions asked towards the right. Now, let's look at a demo interview in which John is interviewing Tatiana.
Hey, hi John. How are you?
I'm doing good. Thanks for asking. How the day has been?
Yeah, it's been going well. Thanks for asking.
Yeah, no problem. Yeah, could you please tell me more about yourself just before we begin?
Yeah, sure, absolutely. So, to speak a few words about myself, I have been a senior backend developer with over 10 years of experience.
As you can see, there is an answer being generated for the question. Wait, but how? When the interviewer asks a question, you can either hit Enter on your keyboard or click on the Generate button at the top. This will pick the most recent question from the transcription and generate answers that are relevant to user experience. Now, let's continue to the interview session.
My main expertise is working with languages like Python, Java, and C++. And I also have a strong background in technologies like distributed systems. So over the years, I have led teams and mentored junior developers to help them deliver products that serve millions of users daily. So that's a bit about myself.
Yeah, that's cool.
Now, let's skip a few minutes in the interview session to move forward in this tutorial.
Could you please tell me about a situation where you helped your colleague to debug a tough technical challenge?
Yeah, sure, absolutely. So, one time a colleague was struggling with a tricky performance issue in our backend service that was causing slow response times under heavy load.
If you observe carefully, all the questions that you generate an answer for are getting listed under the Recent Questions section towards the right of your screen. These questions and the responses will be saved and can be reviewed later. Let's skip to the very end of the interview now.
Anything else?
No, that was great. Thank you so much for answering my questions. I really appreciate it.
All right. Thank you so much.
Thanks. Have a great day. Bye bye.
Thank you. Bye bye.
Well, that was a great session, and you saw how HuddleMate was able to generate tailor-made answers based off the resume and job description that are uploaded earlier. That's amazing. Now, you can click the End session to finish the session. That's it. You have successfully learned how to launch an interview session and attend interviews using HuddleMate. If you have any further questions, feel free to check out our FAQs or visit the Help section for more guidance. Thanks for watching, and happy onboarding.